Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Deeponion Mac tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a paper wallet so you can use it offline. First we're gonna go to that link. I'm gonna post it, the URL below the description. Anyway, you have to connect to 178.232.141 and so on. I'm gonna refresh it. Reactivate. Of course, you have to be online. So I'm gonna refresh the page. And now I'm gonna deselect my Wi-Fi network. So I am totally offline. In this case, no one can steal my private key that I'm going to generate. So I'm totally anonymous and secure. In this open source client, we can generate our paper wallet Deeponion. What makes it different from online wallet? The paper wallet, you can keep it offline and bring it every time with you or store it somewhere safely. So let's generate this. As you can see, I randomly move my mouse, so it's gonna generate some kind of, I don't know, algorithm. And here we go. This is our public address and this is our private key. It's shown the address here. If we want to generate the paper wallet, go here and hit print. Because we are offline, no one can actually go and see how and what kind of private key we generate. We can randomly generate another one or go to generate Deeponion address. Anyway, I'm gonna redo. So I'm gonna randomly move our mouse over here. When it counts to 0, we are good to go. Okay, and we can go to paper wallet and we can print it and keep it in safe place. I'm gonna rename this Deeponion paper wallet 1. You can print it in this file, and of course this is your private key that you don't need to give to anyone unless you want to show and give all the money inside and coin inside your wallet. To get your onion, you have to give this public address here. You can scan it with QR code or just simply copy paste this address, is the same, and everyone can send onion to your wallet, and that's it. If you have any further question, just post it your comment below, and see you to next tutorial, guys.